Massive, precise, insanely expensive, this is farming turned into a high-tech spectacle. Watch this video. Let's go! The AFH5 watermelon harvester supports 6 to 10 workers, processing 10 to 15 tons per hour. It features a conveyor belt, onboard sorting, and packing area. With a canopy and ergonomic platform, it reduces labor and boosts harvesting efficiency. Ideal for large-scale melon farms in the U.S. and Mexico. The Magia automatic fruit and berry shaking and cleaning machine makes harvesting from trees fast and efficient. It's perfect for picking apples, cherries, plums, olives, almonds, and other types of stone fruits. The machine features a screen that automatically rolls out and retracts, streamlining the process. Best of all, it only takes 2 operators to run it, helping cut labor costs while boosting productivity in the orchard. The Dino Robot is a fully autonomous tilling machine, designed for precise weeding between crop rows. Using satellite navigation, it achieves pinpoint accuracy down to 2 centimeters. This compact helper can also be fitted with a camera system that spots even minor row deviations and adjusts the frame to stay on track. With a track width adjustable from 1.6 to 2 meters, Dino can cover up to 5 hectares per day, making it a smart and efficient tool for modern farming. The OXBO 6420 is a specialized harvester engineered for high-efficiency olive collection in super high-density orchards. Its side-entry tunnel design allows the machine to straddle each row, gently shaking and catching fruit with minimal damage. Equipped with advanced automation and real-time controls, it ensures maximum productivity while maintaining quality. The agricultural robot sweeper is designed to assist farmers during harvest, especially in single-stem row crops, where fruits grow separately and aren't blocked by heavy leaves. It's built for systems with minimal leaf coverage and no fruit clustering. The makers have equipped it with advanced computer vision technology to boost its accuracy in spotting ripe produce, making harvesting faster, smarter, and less labor-intensive. Swathing plays a critical role in the forage harvesting process, and despite covering a wide area, it must deliver top-tier swath quality. The Tour 1403S is PTO's newest professional-grade four-rotor swather, offering an impressive 14-meter working width. It combines trusted technology with fresh innovations that enhance ground contour tracking and ensure gentle crop handling. This model is built to deliver high-performance results, while protecting both the field and the forage. Plenty Farm, located in South San Francisco, has developed a cutting-edge vertical farming system known as Plenty Farm Waltz. This high-tech system utilizes AI and machine learning algorithms to optimize growing conditions such as temperature, humidity, and lighting, ensuring maximum yield and quality. The farm's vertical design features multiple levels of hydroponically grown beds. This setup allows for high-density planting and significantly reduces the reliance on pesticides and herbicides. Check out the multi-pack featuring the new D14 model, designed to save you time, money, and eliminate the need for any manual bale handling until delivery. This model takes in bales ranging from 75 to 120 centimeters with no limitations, and no need to adjust the machine. It runs smoothly with a compact tractor around 80 horsepower and comes equipped with its own hydraulic system. The Proberry is a trailed harvester designed to efficiently pick blueberries, black currants, and blackberries. It utilizes a unique system that gently shakes the berries from the bush. The machine also features an intense airflow that removes dry leaves and branches. A key feature is its ability to pick only ripe berries, while protecting the plants and the crops from mechanical damage. The pneumatic cushion and soft fall technology minimize berry damage. Up next, we have the Tulip bulb cutting machine, a true powerhouse in agricultural machinery. This machine is designed for high performance, ensuring that tulip bulbs are efficiently cut and separated, while keeping the delicate stems and vibrant flowers fully intact. With an impressive capacity of up to 12,000 bulbs per hour, it can handle large-scale operations with ease. The Vpac Iceberg lettuce system is a high-performance packaging solution, built for speed and precision. Capable of handling up to 36 heads of lettuce per minute, this machine uses advanced tech and precision engineering to sort, cut, and package with incredible efficiency. Designed specifically for iceberg lettuce, it turns bulk processing into a smooth, streamlined operation. The new Holland grain corn harvester is a powerhouse, built for maximum efficiency and high productivity in grain corn harvesting. It's equipped with a strong engine that delivers the muscle needed for smooth, fast operation. A large capacity grain tank lets it gather and store big volumes of corn without constant unloading. Up front, a specialized header features multiple rows of sharp knives, designed to cut through crops with precision and speed. Not long ago, John Deere unveiled a prototype for a groundbreaking electric tractor called the CLAAS. Under the hood, it's powered by 2 electric motors, each delivering 150 kilowatts, totaling 402 horsepower. It's a bold step forward for the American AG machinery giant. However, one key detail is still unknown: how long the CLAAS can actually operate in the field on a single charge. And let's be honest, that's a pretty important piece of the puzzle. A snow removal company decided to test the power of their equipment by pitting one of their machines against 100 pumpkins. As expected, the results were incredibly destructive. The snowplow quickly demolished the pumpkins, sending pieces flying across a considerable distance. Interestingly, the pumpkins used in the experiment were defective and would have simply rotted in the field if not selected for this unique encounter with the snowplow. Bendotti, a top producer of premium avocados, has teamed up with Tomra to bring advanced technology into their avocado processing operations. Thanks to Tomra's integrated avocado solution, Bendotti can now meet the highest levels of quality and efficiency in sorting and grading their avocados. Let's take another look at Four-Rotor Rakes RA4513, this time from Kubota. This model stands out as a top-notch solution for precise raking, even in tough field conditions. Kubota has engineered it with a unique combo of a flexible rotor support arm and a 3-dimensional suspension system. The result? Exceptional terrain following an impressively clean raking, no matter the challenge. It's a smart, reliable tool for anyone aiming for perfect results. The Brielmaier Type 29 is a heavy-duty mower, built for cutting grass and dense vegetation in hard-to-reach or challenging areas. Engineered for rugged terrain and tough conditions, it's the perfect solution for both agricultural and commercial use. With a durable steel frame and a high-performance engine, this machine delivers the power and reliability needed to tackle even the most stubborn vegetation with ease. Check out the latest bale feeder from Tubeline Manufacturing, built to handle round bales up to 2 meters long and over a ton in weight. It features a hydraulic loading arm that lifts the bale onto the table, where a rotating apron chain kicks in. At the same time, retractable drum fingers begin to unravel the bale. As it gets closer to the core, the table can tilt to increase contact with the drum, making sure every bit of the bale is fed out completely and efficiently. ASA Lift has launched its new onion roller mower, the WR365, and it's already turning heads. Though it just hit the market, it's quickly made a name for itself. Why? Because it saves you serious time, money, and manpower. The WR365 can handle the workload of 3 tractors and 3 workers, all with just 1 machine and 1 operator. Pretty impressive, right? Kuhn has unveiled its largest mower yet, built to cover massive fields with unmatched efficiency. What sets it apart? Its ability to cut wide swaths of grass, while slashing both fuel use and labor time. But that's not all. The integrated conveyor neatly arranges the freshly cut material into perfectly sized rows. The company CLAAS, a major global player in agricultural machinery, demonstrated the capabilities of their latest equipment lineup. The range included 3 standout models, the Quadrant, the Axion, and of course, the Torion. CLAAS 5300 Quadrant, just watching them in action is enough. You can instantly see how powerful, efficient, and productive these machines really are. What could be better for a farmer than automating their work? With the industrial apple harvester Spartan, picking up fallen apples becomes effortless. This powerful fruit harvesting machine is a reliable assistant. The TN Profi Chisel Plow, also known as the TN Profi Deep Loosener, from the trusted Terra Land Company, is built to cultivate soil down to 65 centimeters deep. It features 2 rows of cutting discs positioned behind rear tooth rollers for efficient tillage. Available in 3 and 4 meter working widths, it can handle a lot in just 1 pass, loosening the soil, mixing in crop residue, breaking up clods, and prepping a perfect seedbed for the next planting. The CubicFarm System offers an efficient and sustainable way to grow crops year-round in a fully controlled environment. Using automated vertical farming technology, it makes the most of available space while cutting down on water use and pesticide needs. By moving farming indoors, it shields crops from climate risks and water shortages, ensuring steady yields all year long. Plus, it's customizable for different crops and perfect for urban areas, bringing fresh produce closer to where people live. Harvest twice the number of bales with zero hassle, thanks to the upgraded Linx tractor. Now equipped with an incredible power boost from its developers, this machine can effortlessly handle 2 balers at once. The result? Faster completion of your workload, reduced labor hours, and major savings on equipment costs. It's a smart, high-efficiency solution designed to put more productivity and profit. The 3-row planter puts the seedlings on a conveyor belt to place them under a rotating platform. The machine is semi-automatic, fueled by gasoline, and produces 3 meals per day.
Did you enjoy this video? Don't forget to subscribe now so you won't miss out on more awesome content. Leave a comment below to share your thoughts, feedback, or just say hi. Hit like and share if you enjoyed it. Thank you for your amazing support.